Alright guys, we are back in the stuff today. We're kind of gonna test run it, grab no wins and see how it's gonna go. So that's what I'm doing right now. So we just wanna do a little bit of it and see how it's gonna go. That's so crazy, Wow, man. It's actually crazy. Yeah, we're still on the test running and it's just kind of the engine cut off and I guess the engine is back online and we just keep doing the little test running and see how the engine is gonna move. Okay, so still there with us right now. Incredible, man! Wow, this engine is totally freaking out, man. Whew. That sounds very cool. Oh, man. Wow. This guy is really great. I guess we're in the engineer and we guess we are really doing great and I kind of very perfect in this stuff, okay? So I guess this how long can I stay right now? Wow. Um, yep. And here we go again. Like good. So good, so good. You're doing great, bro. Keep bro. Wow, man. I must share this stuff. It's very crazy. Wow, it's crazy.